Alright, so I got this LG Pedestal washer at an auction. And I have a Whirlpool washer. Put it on top. I got an L7 error code, or E7 error code. Looked it up and it says there's a switch that it knows if there's not an LG washer on top of it or whatever. And there's a bunch of crap videos. You probably already saw the other one on here. That doesn't tell you anything, but wants you to go to their website. Here's how you fix it. In the back left corner, when you're looking at the front, back left, back by all the hoses, there's a switch. It's just a little plastic push button. You can put 2 screws in the side, push the button down, put 2 screws in the side, and it works fine. Don't let them get you.